So it will be, you may have any system, you may have SMS, short message service also, that can give you alertness about your vehicle, arrival of your vehicle. You may have, which is especially useful when you are away from your home. You may have phone setup also. Home based with home based system should be able to initiate mobile phone when house is empty. The system will provide ability for user to enter the name, model number of the phone, etc., so that it can be verified for use. The user will be able to communicate with the system when approaching to the home. The switch to switch the television or even any other electrical appliances. House owner may wish to make it off by using mobile phones. So this you can have smart control with phone also, with phone setup. Then backup step also you can have useful feature. So in case of smartphone, you may have alarm, clock, functional. An example that user will able to choose selection of wake up sound from more pleasant sounds. Many things that it could be there. Because of not especially for as on today in India, but still we are having some smart homes in India. So we are thinking. So if you have this smart music, pleasant sound when you wake up, so that is also what we can say as far as the mindset is concerned. These are something smart applications, innovative applications that can be used in a smart home. You may have more pleasant, you have more pleasant one likely to be selected. That also that can be possible with the help of this particular smart functioning. So various modern and ultra modern, what we can say, modern, not only modern and ultra modern home appliances. So there are various components required for such ultra modern or smart home. So it having devices interconnected through net and gives you demand access to control your lighting, your home activity, home security, your thermostat setting, your home theater, your entertainment and all. It can be simple as saying, so you may have sound, what we can say, sound control system. So you may say, Neha, turn on living room light. So that voice may be get, you are having the applications with your mobile voice recognition. So by doing this, so by giving the command, oral command, by saying you are that if the particular sound is fed to your system, particular living room lights will be on. If you are looking to smart up your home, check out very top 5 essential systems that we have discussed that can be turn your conventional home into a smart home or smart and comfortable convenient home. So first, that among 5, that is security system. Top component for every smart home, security system. A security system is there to be protect you and raise the alarm in big emergency like fire, break-in and all. But a smart security system doesn't stop there. This security system regarding emergency and regarding fire, it also comes sometimes conventional under conventional security. So we have advanced technology. It makes itself useful to every single day. It can send you the notification when you may have your teenagers and get home from school or their part-time jobs and all, that information also you will get by the this advanced technology we have. It can show you who is at your front door. You can see if you are away from the home. Let you talk to them. uh, how how to effectively ensure your kids are safety at your home. This is you may imagine this may not be need today, but that is especially in smart cities we are having the need today's need. You may have at door video doorbell that can be you may see on video also. You can have high definition video that can be feed of your kids, and you may have back ad, or you may have cooking dinner and all that can be you may observe. It can also let you know if your windows are open, doors are left open, or if you may have water leakage, you may have in your house, you may have another any problem that can be immediately you will have the message. If you are away from the home, you can see also, you can check also, you can audio video that facility that you can check it. Then intercom system, smart intercom system that offers dramatically more features than the conventional features or conventional system. So it allows you to communicate your family through voice activated, so voice device, without having the anything else. There are a variety of helpful, convenient, and entertainment options that comes to you with the intercom system, so that you can connect several rooms within your home. For example, you can use video chat features also to talk someone in another room. Now that what we can say very आता आपल्याकडे बरंच but in future we may have these things. You may have someone outside your front door, such a delivery man, milkman that you can have. You can chat, you can see, you can observe the movement and all. You can set up your entertainment by scanning your music to play throughout intercoms around your house. You may have videos around your home. You can have the throughout intercom system. You may have the clips available for you on your digital gadgets, or mobile or whatever. Then sprinklers, music, shades and all, programming for your lawn sprinklers that can be done. So that may start 5:30 in the morning before you enter to your lawn for morning walk. That is also possible. When you are not asking, you may have something. Get ready. You may have these are the what we can say oral messaging systems. You may say, Neha, get ready. How many ounce are in cup or whatever you want best picture in 1989. You can control your other home system, home theaters, your voice that can be recognized by your system. So everything it is possible. This includes motorized sets, blinds, entertainment system like home theater. You may have lawn sprinklers. You may have lights, smart lights. All you may have voice activated products that can be fitted in your home, especially helpful for busy families if they are recovering from surgery, getting up in age of, or having physical disabilities. Sometimes this is also possible. Sometimes we may say it is a luxury, but sometimes we may say it is a need. So especially I will say that the second part, instead of luxury, I can see it is a need. Many times we know that we are having less number of people in our house. Mostly, suppose so old age person is there, getting may have surgery, got surgery or something, may having problem of frequently movement, may be bedridden. So such people, if you are the caretaking person, so if you are caretaking person, the persons are having work outside, has to attend the office, has to attend the work. So if nobody is there, so the person who is inside the home can use the system because he is having problem with movement. So he can have the sound alarm systems that can be easily used. Then it will be what we can say, rather than luxury, we may say it is a need. So light up your world, that is also. You may have upgradation of your lights, smart bulbs. We are having LEDs, but next generation we are having the smart bulbs, smart lights. Now we are having the generation of smart light. You can have extension that CFL LED bulbs in your house, lighting features with different companies, maybe Philips, ISL. Then these smart bulbs allow you to control your lights with your phone, with your Google Assistant. You can schedule the time of turning on and turning off them. Even if you don't have a dimmer switch, you may have lot of lamps. They are released with the smart bulbs, can quickly become expensive. So you may have smart light switches that can be controlled light wired to the switches, allowing turn light to off, schedule for smart assistance without changing your existing light bulbs. So some such devices are also there. So that see particularly control of lights or lighting words. Now we are having the smart lighting word. Then ventilation, heating and air conditioning system. As we have discussed the ventilation, these are the thermostat based. So all these thermostat based systems, what we can have, thermal sensors on regular basis, smart technology might be ticket. So this particularly an example of electronic programmable temperature controllers. You may have Wi-Fi enabled, net enabled with your mobile or digital gadgets. Okay. So you know the root program itself can be adopted for the particular changing sessions. Root program, that is for heating and cooling cycles, that can be decided. The application can be developed to control your equipments like ventilation, heating, cooling. So it is also Energy Star certified by means of Bureau of Energy Efficiency, India. Many air conditioning devices, you know that, or heating devices, cooling devices, especially they are coming with star labeling. So star labeling, these are the certified energy saving or Energy Star certified devices, along with smart components inside built to use as a smart device, and you can control this heating, cooling and all these things. Okay. So these are all smart applications what we have.